So, good morning, students. Today, in my current slide, I will discuss about the effect of vibration on the block, and I will explain the phenomenon of vibrations. First of all, student, you should be aware that what causes vibrations and what type of energies are associated with the vibrations. Now, the study of vibration includes the effect of the forces that are applied on the machine elements and the bodies. Now, in the study of vibrations, we come across a system where the block is associated with a spring constant. Now, we have a spring constant that is designated by K, small k or K. Now, we have a block. Now, this block is having the forces being applied in a particular direction. If the block, we apply the force on this particular block in this direction, and when we release the force, then due to this spring constant, the body will automatically attain equilibrium. Now, for attaining the equilibrium, it will restore to its original position, restore to its original positions. Now, this is basically the effect on the vibrations. So when the work is done on the block to displace it from its original position, there is a potential energy is being developed in the spring. So second point, when the block is being released, the spring forces or pulls the block towards the equilibrium with the potential energy being converted to kinetic energy. So potential energy is being converted to kinetic energy. And third point, when we discuss in the absence of these non-conservative forces, this transfer of energy is continual, causing the block to oscillate about its equilibrium positions. So this block will tend to oscillate. So there will be oscillation effect on the block, oscillation effect on the block. So student, this is very important to understand the vibrational effect. Vibrations are basically unwanted forces that have been developed in a machine element. We have rotating pump, we have reciprocating pumps, we have turbines, we have the motors, we have other machine elements. So when these machine elements tends to observe certain vibrations or it tends to produce certain noises, then these are producing mechanical stresses on the material. To counter these mechanical stresses, the efficiency of these machine elements, they decreases. So our main function as a mechanical engineer is to increase the efficiency of the machine elements. For increasing the efficiency of the machine elements, there should be dampenings. We have the spring dampers, we have the cushioning effects that does not allow the machine element to oscillate from its origin. Oscillation from its region causes distortion in the machine element that is being not required. So students, now you understood the concept of vibrations, the concept of vibration in machine elements.